I am the bogus gas man with fake ID, and I'm here to ransack your house.
Look at them.
Hi guys.
Hey.
How's it going? It was good. They just, played the whole time.
All right. Well,
they played with the birthday present you got Bryce.
Oh wow.
Tony got his chance.
Good.
What's up, Bryce?
Bryce, next time we'll do it over here. Okay.
Tony goes, "What are you wearing?" This is Bryce's hockey outfit. It's a little
Oh, okay. He plays hockey.
like
Okay.
the under. I
Yep.
think it was the bass players. What bass players?
Excuse me. What happened?
I have no clue.
Well, that was actually a nice tuck and roll.
Yes, it was. But how did that even occur?
Up here getting past his mattress.
Oh! What the hell? What the hell was that? My God! I gotta sit down.
What you done? I tripped up. Oh, what you tripped up?
I don't know.
What? That's the guy now. I think you tripped on this.
I didn't. I picked it. I was carrying that.
Will you bring that way?
Can you bring? No, I don't know.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yeah, it's ice.
Oh, shit. You're right.
Yeah, alright.
Are you sure?
Help me. Help. God, that's so much. Help. Oh, fuck.
Hey, stop by. I texted if I could take this wine glass. You didn't say no, so I'm taking it. You have two. I did raid your fridge just a little bit. You're not going to miss it, I promise. You won't even know what I took. Anyway, that's that. I play with the dogs, I let them out. I mean, whatever. Also, ready? Little booty shake for good luck.
You fucked off to Lady Asia. Left me no scan in the fucking fridge or nothing. The only thing you left me is a fucking dairy milk. I'm fucking fuming with this. It's not good enough parenting. I can't lie, man. No. I'm speechless. I'm fucking commentless.
Babe, my car.
Hey, it's fine.
No, it's not.
There's nothing I can do about it. What do you want me to do? It's not like it's going into somebody's house. Calm down. Be careful.
Do all the time.
I know, yeah.
She's a chicken. Tilly, Tilly. Tilly, you can. That was Tilly. That was Tilly. That was Tilly.
Gary! Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Gary!
Yeah?
It's your fucking dog again. Your dog's gonna shit on the lawn again.
Sorry, mate. I hope I haven't caused you any hassle.
Hassle? Fucking hell. This shit about fucking £6 fucking crap on my lawn, chap. It's gonna cost me fucking fortunes to get it out.
Say that again, mate.
It's done about £6 of shit on my lawn.
I don't know what I'm gonna have. I don't know what to suggest. Can't you clean it up, like?
Well, I was expecting you to come and clean it up.
Fucking your garden, mate. I'm sorry, but I know you're my neighbour, but it's your garden, mate. I can't help where my dog shits.
Well, I'm telling you now, my old flower, fucking shit as it from now. Good night.
The whole aftercare?
Yes,
Really?
I'm literally holding it in.
Put it in the car.
I need to pee fast. That's legitness.
So you'll just breathe that in.
My mama. You take care of those babies, mama.
Fuck this. Fuck this stupid ass fucking place.
See you later. Oh.
See you later, guys. See you next time. Did that really just happen?
There's a parcel there. I didn't think it was going to go in with the end folded over.
Oh, okay, no worries. Thank you.
Hello?
I've got a delivery.
Yeah, what is it?
Chinese food.
Ooh,
Chinese food.
Oh, lovely. You can
Hands in the letterbox.
you can ring the letterbox and you can leave it there if you'd like. If you'd like, you can post it through the letterbox. You can post it through the letterbox if you'd like.
Nothing.
You can post it. Put the chow mein through the letterbox. So you know the chow mein, you put it through the letterbox.
35, please.
Jamal,
Hello?
Jamal, put it through the letterbox.
Who's this? Okay, cheers.
Jamal, put it through the letterbox. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh, where's my chow mein?
Sorry, we're not interested.
What? Delivery.
I'm sorry you've had to bring garlic sauce here. All the way here, I'm sorry. But we needed garlic sauce.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
What's your name?
Toshi.
Pardon?
Bashir.
Bashir?
Yeah.
Bashir, I'm Laura.
Thank you.
See you later, Bashir. Bye, Bishop.